And guys, so palang gabi po mag-a-attend po kami ng event, guys. Kakain lang kami, guys. Ayan yung mga kasama ko. Ayan, si Ate Heidelin. Tapos si MC. Ayan. Oh, gaganda ng mga ano nila, guys, sa suot. Oh. Parang ano. Tapos ito naman si Jennifer. Oh, di ba? Abangan nyo kami mamaya sa Impero Restaurant, Ajman. Ayan. Kita-kits tayo mamaya dun, guys. So, ayan guys, paalis na kami. Ayan, labangan nyo kami mamaya guys sa Impero. Kita-kits tayo mamaya dun. At para makita nyo paano kami kumain. At para makita natin kung ano yung mga pagkain. So, tabayanan nyo kami dun guys.
Seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time.
So, we're here guys in Impero Restaurant. Ayan, nandito na kami. Dito lang pala yun guys. Impero. Okay, so Impero. Ala, tayo pinakamaaga. Chig. So tayo pinakamaaga. Under the...
الكمان الكمالي أفغان yes okay
Ay guys, mabay na ay. Wow, bakang bawal. Ito tayo ni. Wala pa guys, kami yung pinakauna.
Okay, no problem. Here.
Okay.
This here.
Okay. Yeah, dito kami daw guys. Ito lang pala yun. Hindi picture.
I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. I've changed for the better this time. I thought I would never be fine. I strive just to say I'm alright. And for the first time in a long time I'm alright. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things are not the same as they were a year ago. But all will be okay. I move on each and every day. The past is where it stays. Way back a year ago. my head up high through the downs and lows, and we're all going live. Still nobody knows, but I'ma choose what's right and take what comes and goes. And ain't no one in life holding me back no more. I've seen a lot of change, been through a lot of pain. Some things.
So yan guys, yung mga nakuha kong pagkain. Yan. Let's eat guys. Kain po tayo.
Ay, raya ko na ko yun. Sino ko
Buka ka. Gusto ko konti din.
Ibalot din.
Sabihin nila, ano ba ito mga workout? Nakuti ka rin.
Kunafa. Ako buwahan. We see our country. There's already so much.
Quiet ang buti niya.
Gusto mo daw yun? Gusto mo ba yun?
Ate Chingni. Ate Chingni. Yan. Kanatan.
Oh yeah. It's very
Kunapa. Ah? Kunapa ajin ate ni.
لا بس ما تحاولش ما تجيبليش.
Ano sa mani?
Sweet.
Hindi kasi hindi ako magkaano nito.
Sweet.
Hindi.
So ayun guys, busog na kami. Hindi namin naubos guys. Hindi namin naubos. Kasi busog na. So maya konti guys, uuwi na kami. Kumukuha lang ng pila, magpaalam, eat and run.
Umuwi na yun.
Ayan, kasi ang dami na din nagsiuwian. Ayan. So, and guys, uwi na po kami. Git and run. Ayan. Uwi na. Hi. Ikan tuh. Yan, uwi na kami guys. Bye-bye. See you next time. Thanks for watching. Bye. Uy.